Okay, it's time for a new experiment, and in this case what I'm going to show you is an implementation of the scheduling framework Quartz. This is like a really famous framework for a scheduled task. Basically, I've been using this for like really long time. I think that, I mean, this project, it comes from Java, I think, and I've been using it since they moved to .NET, so like for really long time. So I know that it works really well for sure. And the thing is that with the new design patterns of ASP.NET Core, you can do again a lot of crazy stuff, and that includes crazy stuff for Xaf Blazor. So in this case, the implementation, what I did is I created a Xaf Blazor application, and then let me show you, the application is here. And then I created the instance of a job, the concept of a job in Quartz, and I hosted it in a hosted service of ASP.NET Core. So if I show you my startup, here I have this hosted service that is in charge of loading the jobs when the application starts, and after that it controls the schedule of any job that you have. So as you can see, let me clear this. Here, for example, the job is happening, is executing this hello world job. See, it happened again. So it happened because I've been testing this for a few days, and I already have a scheduled task on my application. But what I wanted to show you is that the task is running even though no one have no one have login in the application. So you don't need to sign in the application to start the service. The service will start when your application starts. So let's go here and let's try to log in. So these are the records that are being created at the moment. I have a lot, so let's try to clear this. Sorry for this. I've been running this like for a few days already, I think. Okay, so now it's clean, and as you can see, it will be growing because the task is running every few seconds. Okay, so if I want to stop the task, I can disable it. This will stop the schedule from running. So the task is stopped at the moment. I just implemented two actions, one to start and one to stop. So if I want to start it again, I should do enable job, but I wanted to show you something else. We have created for other customers, like in the past, a cron builder. So this cron builder helps you create this type of expression. So with this expression, you can tell it run every 3 hours of each Wednesday, for example. Run the first Tuesday of each month. You can create like really complex expressions. We don't have the full expression editor implemented, but the most basic expressions we can create, and I know that it works well. I've been using this for like 8 years, I think. So here you have also a detail of each time that the task was run successfully, and well, that each time that the task was executed, and in the log you will see if there is an exception or if was successfully executed. So let me create a new expression so you can see how it works. So for example, I have check up each day, weekdays, and for hour I will start this on the at 10 a.m. because it's 24 hours format with 30 minutes, and the task should start today and should finish. It will run in between these dates, between today and the 30th of the month. So when I save this, it will generate the expression for me. Maybe I don't want to run it on Monday, so I will clean this and save it again and see the expression was modified. So This is a really neat tool. I use it in so many Windows Forms projects before, but the design pattern of ASP.NET Core makes it way more easy to use and more easy to integrate with Xaf. Also, we have another implementation. One of the technical support agents from Developer Express created a different version of this because we were talking about this, how will be the best option to host this scheduling framework in a Blazor application. So this is with a hosted service. And we also have an implementation with a middleware. Both are really nice, but I think the use cases might be different depending on how you want to expose your application. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the other implementation and what else we can do about Quartz. So if you have any idea or you are thinking to implement scheduling on your next Xaf application, take a look to Quartz. It's a really neat framework. So see you guys on the next video.